You wouldn't believe what I discovered when I opened that drawer. My ex-husband's wedding invitation fell out, and I laughed. He thought I was still the poor girl he left for a richer woman. But he didn't know I owned the hotel where his wedding would happen. The invitation said Mr. Vikram and his new bride, Priya, invite you to celebrate at the Royal Skyline Hotel. I smiled. That hotel was mine. I bought it last year with the money I made from my small clothing business. Vikram left me 2 years ago because I was not good enough for his family. He said I had no money, no future. He chose Priya because her father was a rich businessman. But now, everything changed. I walked to my balcony and looked at the city skyline. Tomorrow, I would go to his wedding. And I would show everyone the truth. But first, I needed to decide, should I tell him before the ceremony, or wait until he says I do? The secret was burning in my chest. I remember the day Vikram left me. It was raining. He stood at the door with a suitcase. Ananya, I can't do this anymore, he said. You have nothing. Priya's father is a CEO. He can give me a job, a future. I cried. But I love you, I said. He shook his head. Love doesn't pay the bills. Then he walked out. I sat on the floor for hours. My heart was broken. But then I got angry. I decided to change my life. I started a small business selling clothes online. I worked day and night. After 1 year, my business grew. I opened a shop. Then another. Then I bought the Royal Skyline Hotel. It was the most expensive hotel in the city. The doorman knew me. The elevator took me to my penthouse on the top floor. I had everything. But I still felt the pain of his betrayal. Now, 2 years later, I held his wedding invitation. My hand shook. I thought about the blood oath we made when we got married. We promised to always be together. But he broke that oath. He chose money over love. I decided to go to the wedding. Not to stop it, but to show him what he lost. I called my assistant. Book me a table at the Royal Skyline Hotel for tomorrow, I said. I want the best seat in the house. She asked, for the wedding? I smiled. Yes. The wedding. The next day, I wore a simple blue dress. I did not want to look too rich. I wanted to see his face when he saw me. I took the elevator down to the main hall. The wedding was beautiful. Flowers everywhere. A big cake. Many guests. I saw Vikram at the front. He wore a white suit. He looked happy. Next to him was Priya, in a white dress. She smiled. I sat at a table near the back. A waiter came. What would you like to drink, madam? He asked. Water, please, I said. Then I saw Vikram's mother. She saw me. Her face changed. She walked to me. "What are you doing here?" she whispered. "You are not welcome." I smiled. I was invited. She looked at the invitation. "This is a mistake. You don't belong here." I said nothing. Then the ceremony started. The priest said many words. Vikram and Priya held hands. I watched. My heart beat fast. Then the priest said, "If anyone has a reason why these two should not marry, speak now or forever hold your peace." The room was silent. I stood up. Everyone looked at me. Vikram's eyes went wide. "Ananya," he said. "What are you doing?" I walked to the front. "I have something to say," I said. "This hotel is mine. I own it. And I do not want this wedding to happen here." The guests gasped. Priya's father stood up. "That's impossible," he shouted. "I booked this hotel months ago." I took out my phone and showed him the ownership papers. "Call the manager," I said. "He will confirm." The manager came. He looked at me and said, "Yes, madam. The hotel is yours." Vikram's face turned white. You own this hotel?" he stuttered. I nodded. "I own everything you see. The doorman, the elevator, the balcony, the terrace, the rooftop. All mine." Priya started crying. "Vikram, you said she was poor," she screamed. Vikram looked at me. "Ananya, please. I made a mistake." I looked at him. "Yes. You did." The wedding stopped. Guests whispered. Vikram walked to me. "Ananya, can we talk?" he said. "Please. I left you, but I still love you." I laughed. "You love me? You left me because I had no money. Now I have money, and you love me again?" He looked down. I was stupid. I didn't see your value. I shook my head. "You broke our blood oath. We promised to be together forever. But you chose her." I pointed at Priya. She was crying. "I'm sorry," Vikram said. "I'm sorry for everything." I looked at him. "I didn't come here to stop your wedding. I came to show you what you lost. But now I see you haven't changed. You still want money. You don't love me. You never did." I turned to the guests. "This wedding is over. Please leave." The guests started to leave. Priya's father was angry. "You will pay for this," he said. I smiled. "No. You will pay. I am canceling your contract. You will not get your deposit back." He shouted, but I walked away. I went to the elevator and pressed the button for my penthouse. Vikram ran after me. Ananya, wait, he said. Give me another chance. I turned. No. You had your chance. Now I have a new life. And you are not part of it. The elevator doors closed. I went up to my penthouse. I stood on the balcony and looked at the skyline. The city was beautiful. I felt free. I had revenge. But more than that, I had myself. That night, I sat on my terrace with a cup of tea. I thought about Vikram and the wedding. I felt sad, but also strong. I learned that people can change, but not always for the better. Vikram wanted money, not love. And I was lucky to find out before it was too late. The lesson is simple: never let someone tell you that you are not enough. When Vikram left, I thought my life was over. But I worked hard, and I built something for myself. Now I have a hotel, a business, and a future. And I don't need anyone to complete me. I am complete alone. If you are going through a hard time, remember, your value does not come from others. It comes from inside you. Work hard, believe in yourself, and one day, you will stand on your own balcony and look at the skyline. And you will smile, because you made it. I hope this story helps you learn English and also gives you strength. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more stories every day.